My name is Anna, and today I'd like to tell you about a typical day in my life. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning. The first thing I do is make a cup of coffee. I enjoy sitting quietly for a few minutes before my day begins. After that, I get ready for work. I check my emails, plan my schedule, and prepare everything I need. I work in recruitment, so communication is a big part of my job. Every day I talk to different people and help companies find the right employees. Around lunchtime, I usually take a short break. Sometimes I go for a walk, and other times I simply relax and enjoy a quiet moment. I think it's important to step away from work and recharge. After work, I like to spend time doing things I enjoy. I often go for a walk, watch YouTube videos, read a book, or work on personal projects. One of my favorite hobbies is learning new things. I believe learning is a lifelong journey, and there's always something new to discover. In the evening, I usually make dinner and spend some time with my family. Before going to bed, I often listen to English podcasts or watch videos in English. It helps me stay connected with the language and continue improving my skills. I usually go to bed around 11 o'clock. Some days are busy and others are more relaxed, but I always try to find something positive in every day.